Hi, I came to talk about the pop-in veneers. Before, I had a smile that I just did not enjoy. I had an eye tooth removed, so I had a gap, and I just did not like how my smile was before I got my pop-on veneers. They send you a mold. You do 3 impressions. You send it off within 2 weeks. You get your permanent teeth back or your veneers back. The impression is very easy to do. They give you a step-by-step video to do it. If you mess up the first time, they'll give you a redo, but it's very simple. You do your mold, and like I said, you send it off. 2 weeks later, you get a smile like this. You can smile at the world and brighten up any room. So let me show you guys what my smile is without my veneers in. See, not very pleasing, not very confident. Quite like a smile from this side, but with the pop-on veneers and great demonstration. Just pop them in, and there you go. So nothing to it, guys. Go and get you some pop-on veneers. You will not regret it.